But there's another part of your job that I want to discuss. And you were in charge of the drone program at Gray Media.
Yeah. I help administer our drone program for all TV stations across the United States that we do. We have a couple of hundred drones, probably almost 500 pilots, and I manage the systems that we do that, and I manage trying to make hardware decisions with what drones we're going to use next.
And that's become harder.
And
lately.
for the last 2 years, that has been the bane of my existence because I have had to constantly keep
Talk
up.
about it, Daniel. We are here for you.
I have constantly had
about
to keep up with what next stupid decision the United States government's making.
Preach.
And the current situation for us right now is that the CCP Act got passed as part of the other legislation, and in it they required a research committee, an investigation committee, to look into if there was an actual national security threat from Chinese drone manufacturers at the consumer level. And but what has happened?
Did the committee find that it was?
No. What has happened is no said committee has been put together.
Oh.
No said committee is doing everything, and the law says that if a report is not given in December, then the ban goes into effect.
Okay.
So they just haven't made one.
So
the ban's going to go into effect.
So what does that mean? The ban means that you can't buy
You will not
Chinese drones?
be able to buy any Chinese manufactured drone or drone technology.
What if you already got one?
You're going to jail.
Okay,
R7.
for right now, because there were two conversations that were being had about this at one point. For right now, if you have one, and we have a lot of them, probably 85% of our fleet's DJI. You should still be able to fly it, but you will not be able to get parts for it again,
Right.
Unless they're already in the U.S. And you won't be able to buy new ones. However, the FCC has said that they're considering with the ban at one point. I don't know if this is going to happen. Haven't seen any written legislation about this happening yet. But they had talked about retracting the frequencies that were given to those DJI drones that have already been sold, which would ground 2.5 million DJI drones in the United States, something like that.
So
So
I have a question. Why?